Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to create a table and how we can insert data into our table and also how we can truncate our table. So let's create a database first, then we will jump into creating table. Okay, I mean from the scratch we want to do everything. So create database. Suppose our database name would be codify, and then we will use this database. For this we will give use codify, which is our database, and let's create table. Our table name, suppose we will give categories. Then we can give the related fields of the table. Suppose category id, then we can give its variable type, and also not it should be not null, and it's our primary key. Okay, then we can jump into another field, which is category name. Okay, category name. Okay, beg your pardon, category name. It should be varchar, the data type varchar, and its size I will give 50. Then it should be not null. Then we'll jump into another field, suppose items description. Items items description. Okay, description. Items description, it should be varchar. Suppose I'm giving it 50 its size, and it should be not null. Okay, I hope everything is fine for now. So let's execute it. Okay, I have done one mistake here. This should be varchar, all capital. Okay, okay, name. Then it should be capital varchar, varchar. Okay. Then the same goes for here. Okay. Now we will add some data. So how we can do that? I will give you a step-by-step guidance into it. First of all, let's use this command, and later we will figure that out, that why we are using it. Okay, one by one, don't worry about it, just follow me. So insert into categories our table name and our uh, table field name category id. Then we will go category name, then items, item description. Okay, and its values would be, suppose 1. Then we will give beverages, and then we will give uh, soft drinks. Okay, soft drinks. Okay, we'll give a semicolon. Now I hope everything is fine. Now let's see what I'm going to do. First of all, we will create a database named codify. Then we will use this database, which is codify. Then we will create, under this database we'll create a table, so that we have given command create table. Our table name would be categories, and under that table its field would be category id, which is a primary key, category name, which is varchar, and items description, which is varchar. And in this table we want to insert some data, so we have this command insert into category table. So inside our category table we have category id, category name, and item description. So what its value will be 1, beverages and soft drinks. Now Let's execute and see what happened. I hope there will be no error. So okay, unfortunately we have find one error, so we have to figure that out. Okay, here you can see there is one error showing unknown column item description. So item description we have given here. Okay, we have given items, and here we have just given item description. So let's give an extra s. So I hope right now it will execute. Okay, we have another problem, which is it is showing cannot create database. It already exists. Okay, can we refresh it? Okay, okay, what we have right now, I think there is some miscalculation. Okay, suppose we will create another another database. Let's assume the database name would be new cafe. Okay, new cafe. So same I would like to go for here. Okay, so right now, okay, let's execute it. Okay, now it's successfully running, and I want to drop this database. It is creating havoc actually. Drop database codify. Okay, okay, now if you refresh, then you can see our new cafe, which is here. Okay, now let's see what is happening right now. So let's from the beginning, we will start. So create database new cafe. Yes, already a database has been created. Then use new cafe. We are using this database, and create table categories. Okay, under this we will create we have created a categories, and these categories have category id, category name, and description. So let's see what it has. Yes, category id, category name, and category description. So if you go here, I will delete it. So if you go insert into categories, we have inserted some values, which is one beverages and soft drinks, which is clearly showing in our table. You can see from here that category id, category name, and items description. Now we will do one thing, and this is how we can empty a table using Truncate. So let's see how we can do this. So to use Truncate, we have to give one command, and that is truncate truncate table, and our table name is categories. Okay, now we will execute it and see what happened. Okay, it is successfully executed. Now let's check our table. Okay, you can see our table is being empty. So yeah, in this way um, you can create a table, then insert some values, and you can also uh, empty a database table like this. So this is it for this tutorial, and I will see you next time. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.